Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 band, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and you can scroll through the menu by swiping left and right like this. Scroll through the menu, find the airplane mode icon, looks like the airplane, and once you find the icon, tap on it, you will see the message flight mode. The airplane mode icon will get highlighted, change the color, and it will appear right here at the top of the screen, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go back to watch face, you will see that the airplane mode icon also appeared at the top of the watch face, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, find the airplane mode icon, tap on it. You will see that the icon went back to the gray color and it disappeared from the top of the screen. And if you go back to watch face, it will also disappear from the watch face, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.